Hey everybody, hope you're having a good day. Want to talk to you today about ways to make money in real estate. There's a few ways to go about actually making money. You always hear about people making money in real estate. If you want to make good money, invest in real estate. Well, how do you actually make money in real estate? So we're going to go through that. There's really just four ways to do that. I'm sorry, five really. The fix and flip, which is basically another jobs, cash flow from rental income, appreciation from the value of the real estate going up, equity pay down. So that means your tenant is paying down your mortgage, the principal on your mortgage, and you're gaining equity. And then depreciation. So that's that fifth thing. It's kind of a backwards way to earn income by lowering your tax burden. So you can actually depreciate real estate even though it's increasing in value. You can depreciate the value of the house going down because it's getting older and write off the income on your taxes. So fix and flip. You buy a property, usually it has to be significantly under market, do a little fix up and resell it. Another thing that helps you with that also is the market going up during that time. A buy and hold, you buy a property, it could be at market, it could be under market, it could be a little bit above market. Maybe fix it, maybe it's already been flipped, and then rent it out. So a lot of people will also use a BRRRR method you may have heard of when they do this. So that's buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and get their money back out, and then repeat it and do that again. So fix and flip, that's another job. Cash flow is a little bit more passive. No investment is totally passive. In a buy and hold situation with cash flow, appreciation, equity pay down, and depreciation, those are the big ways you make money in real estate over the long term. More millionaires are made in real estate than in any other industry. So I hope that helps explain how to actually make money. If you want to know more, feel free to call me. I love talking about this stuff. My phone number is 843-300-2842. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day.